What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create this clear text effect in Canva PC. So to create that effect, what you want to do is to add text to the blank, like so. We're gonna make it bigger and we're gonna change it to nature. We're gonna make it even bigger. We're gonna center it, like so. Then what you want to do is to change the font color to white and go to effects and add the lift effect. We're gonna change the intensity to 100. Also, if you want more shadow, what you want to do is to duplicate this text and put it above it. I'm gonna put it 2 times, like so. Then what you want to do is to click on share and download this. After you downloaded the text, what you want to do is to add the text that you downloaded to the blank and the photo that you want to use for the background. Then you want to go to apps and you're gonna search for blend. And you're gonna use blend image. You're gonna click on this. You're gonna select the background image and you're gonna use the bottom layer. And you're gonna click on use selected image, like so. And for the top layer, we're gonna use the text. And also we're gonna click on the text, then on use selected image. Then what you want to do is to click on add to design. Now we can delete the initial text and the initial background and resize the blended image. And as you can see now, we got a text clear effect for our photo. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.